Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking in loadout. Select a multi-tool with high burst and a charged shield module. This gives you seconds to react. Once done, deploy a grenade or a decoy to draw the initial patrol away and move behind natural cover to deny turret line of sight. Make sure to target the drone first because removing agile units prevents flanking, then pop the Sentinel shields with charged shots. This sequence reduces sustained fire and creates a window to hit the core without losing your position. Once the drone threat is down, focus on fixed turrets. Use short controlled bursts to avoid overheating and to keep ammo reserves for the core. Move laterally while firing because strafing forces Sentinels into corrective behavior and breaks their targeting locks. This is why you avoid standing still. Make sure to use cover resets. Drop behind rocks to let shield regen, then peek to take another shot. This alternating approach lets you dismantle defenses. You finish the fight by saving your highest damage charged shots for the core. Once turrets are neutralized, those shots end the encounter quickly. If things go wrong and you get overwhelmed, immediately disengage. Use cloak tech, sprint to cover, or recall your starship to reset the alert level. This avoids a reinforcement spike. Make sure to repair shields and restock ammo before returning, because rushing back without prep almost guarantees another escalation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.